Hello, my name is Eric. I am an engineer here at Kemtrak. Today, I'll show you how the DCP007 can be used to measure Saybolt color inline and in real time. The Saybolt color scale is a visual method used to determine the purity of light petroleum products such as diesel and kerosene. The test method ASTM D156 defines this color scale, which ranges from +30 to -16. It traditionally relies upon matching a standard color disk viewed through an adjustable volume of sample. By contrast, the Kemtrak Saybolt analyzer offers a fast, objective, and accurate solution to measure Saybolt color. This analyzer allows for a quick assessment of the product's quality, with higher values indicating higher purity and lower values indicating more contamination or degradation. I am now going to check the Saybolt color value of these two fuels. The first one is quite clear and gives a value of 15.8 Saybolt. These two different samples vary in their degree of yellowness. The second one is a bit more yellow. It gives a value of 2.2 Saybolt. Typical applications of the Saybolt color scale include the measurement of gas condensate color, the verification of natural gas liquid color at lacked skids, and the product-to-product interface detection at refined fuel distribution pipelines. Installing the Kemtrak Saybolt analyzer is simple, even in hazardous petrochemical environments. With its explosion-free ATEX enclosure and a measurement cell free of electronics and moving parts, it is perfect for high-temperature environments and operates reliably up to 275 degrees Celsius. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, happy analyzing!